Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the new fish Glowspore Toad in Fish It. First, just go to Crystal tab. This is the only place where the Glowspore Toad can be found, like this. And once you're there, just start fishing in the Crystal tab. And then, cause this fish has epic rarity like this, make sure you use mid to high tire rod. For example, you can use hazmat rod or more better. And then for the bait, I highly recommend using coral bait or singularity bait to increase your chances. And then this is what the closed port toads looks like. It has a green with the glowing dots like this. I think it's so cool. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.